Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of a charger that comes with your Motorola Edge 30 Ultra. Here I have a Gosund Smart Socket and it will help us with this, as it can tell us exact statistics on this device right here. They are paired with a Bluetooth, and now let's try connecting it to the power source. Then we can plug in the charger to our device. And then to the socket. It should start charging, and now we can click on the Gosund Smart Socket and electric tab. Here in about 30 seconds we should see the stabilized statistics. So I think the statistics just stabilized, and you can see them right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.